Hello everyone. Today we have a great day. We have tournament and about 77 participants, and we see that mostly are already lost. I think we have lost more than half of our participants, and we'll see their trades and we'll check why they lost, what reason caused that so many traders lost this tournament. But also I want to point your attention that we have quite strong traders, we have nice leaders. The first place is taken by Glang, and we can check his trades. Mostly this trader is trading Nasdaq, and we see that yesterday he did few trades. Today also couple of trades. I can say that trader is has good patience. He is waiting for his situation, but I think he can do much better. He can use volumes, because I'm not sure he is using volumes, because if you use volumes you can make much more precise trades. So what can we see from here? He's trying to short Nasdaq, which actually is not quite easy, and actually I do not recommend to any of my students to make short trades on Nasdaq or S&P, because it's quite complicated and it's not easy to make it from the first time. So to make proper short on Nasdaq you have to wait, and you have to wait quite long time. Maybe this time, because I see this trade was done at about 11:40 after market shown his weakness, and trader decided that market will not go further. But we see that after some time this trader got stop loss, and he tried again. It was quite nice try. I see quite good volumes at that point. But actually what I can suggest in such cases, that if you are using volumes, you can improve your trades and you can do much better. You can perform with a better precision. This trade is quite nice. Yeah, it's a long trade. He did quite nice profit in this trade, but again he did profit after few losses trying to short Nasdaq. So never short indices. That's what I recommend to my students, because it's really complicated. So better to make long trades on Nasdaq and S&P. Also I see that these traders usually doesn't bother about stop losses, because if you open trade at this point, you have to trade with a huge stop loss, you have to trade with a huge risk, or you have to manage this trade. You have to watch it all the time, and in case the price is going against you, you have to close it. I don't see now the stop losses of this trader. It's quite interesting for me where he puts his stop losses, because last his trades again, I can't say that short at the bottom is a nice option. And again, if you use volumes, you can see that we have, okay, let me show you what happened there. Somewhere here we have a level on 1 hour time frame, and what we can see that we have huge volumes over there. It means that there are buyers appearing, and probably market will not go further down. So it's better to open a long trade or just wait for more clear situation and open other trade. But do not rush and do not short at the bottom of such a huge movement, because you have to be aware that market always make retracements. So price is always coming back, but money will not come back, so better wait for a nice opportunity. Second winner, second participant who has the highest gain, he has $2,500. He has lost this tournament because of a huge loss today. I think he traded without any stop loss, so I can't say this is a good trader, because if you trade with no stop losses, it means you will lose your money. That's only matter of time. When will you lose your money? So I don't appreciate such trading when you just trade for luck. You have to be confident what you are doing, and you have to understand what you are doing, and it's only possible if you have proper risk management and you understand what happens on the market. So you understand where is levels of support and resistance, and where really good buyers and sellers are. So the third trader with the highest gain is RK. Now he has about 2,000 profit. Let's see his trades. Mostly he trades gold. I don't see his trades actually here. I don't know why. Okay, we can skip this trader and go to next one. And next participant, El Calvan. He has almost same profit, about $2,000. And yeah, again, it's gold trading. First try was not successful, but the second one was quite okay. He bought 5 contracts of gold. Again, guys, you have to understand where support and resistance levels are, because in this case I think he got lucky, because actually he's buying on a level of resistance, and there is high possibility that price may drop down from this point. And I can understand the first trade, but I do not understand the second one. It's quite dangerous to trade like this, because you have to understand that the volatility on gold quite huge, and the price can go down up to, like, I think minimum 1896. So you have to trade with a huge stop loss. But okay, he won this trade. What will happen on a distance? Let's see. But I think if you understand where big buyers are, you can make, again, you can perform much better. Okay, the fifth trader is ChocoPie. He has almost same profit as previous one, but he did 68 trades. And I want to have your attention on this moment, that the leaders have done only few trades. Like the first one, the winner of our tournament, the current winner of our tournament, did only 14 trades. Next one, 9 trades. Third place, 18 trades. Fourth place, 6 trades. So it means to gain more money, you don't have to trade a lot and to make a lot of trades. So let's see what did ChocoPie. It's again, when price is retracing, you have to, when price is dropping down, if you want to follow trend, just wait for the opportunity until price makes retracement. Don't rush and don't try to follow the first retracement, because the volatility on this instrument is really huge, especially on Nasdaq. So if you want to make money on Nasdaq, you have to understand that the price may go without any retracement, like hundreds of ticks, and you have to count on this, and you have to understand that if you want to make a low risk trading, you can't make trades like this. Yes, you can make scalping, you can earn money making such small trades, but it means you will tired quite fast, and you will make some mistakes, because humans, we are not robots, and after some time we get tired, and we're making mistakes, and more we tired, more mistakes we do. So I prefer trading with like couple of trades per day, maybe 5-10 trades per day. If you trade like 2 or 3 instruments, that's enough, believe me. You can make really nice money making just few couple of trades, and wait for next opportunity. So I can say scalping is quite good here, because trader understands where to buy, he understands where to sell. We can see that he takes only small swings. If he is okay with such trading, okay, but I know from my experience, because I was scalper for maybe 3 or 4 years, and I did hundreds trade per day, and I know that it's like a disease. When you want to trade less, you used to many trades, and even if you're becoming like long-term investor, you're always trying to make more and more and more trades, and it never goes with a huge profit, because if you make a lot of trades, you'll make a lot of mistakes as well, and you can't take really nice profit like long-term trades. We can check few traders that lost this tournament. Let's check few traders that have loss, but they still in game, so they can trade tomorrow, maybe not today. And let's see what mistakes were done by these traders. Okay, what can I see from these trades? That trader expect that price will drop like a huge amount of ticks after he open a trade. It's not enough to open a nice trade. It's necessary to understand where to close this trade, and also you have to understand the trading pattern, which I call a false breakout, and it's very nice opportunity to open trades. And if you trade like these instruments like Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P, you have to be aware about these false breakouts. They are happening quite often, and never trade against this false breakout. Actually, he traded before false breakout happened, and it was nice idea to trade to have a real breakout. But after price coming back about 20, let's say 27,955, you have to close your trade. Don't wait any further, because the price will go up. Same happening here. If someone in short trade in YM, yes, I'm sure the price will go higher, maybe after some retracement here. But what I see from now, the price in Nasdaq, S&P will go higher. And actually I have opened a long trade on Nasdaq and I'm sure price will go higher, maybe like up to at least 11,435 up to this point. I think only after this point we will see some retracement. Guys, if you want to check your trades, if you want to have some comments, you can ask me just in chat that we see now in YouTube, and I can make some comments on your trades. And let's take another participant, MCS. I remember this trader from previous tournament. I think this trader does not understand what happens on the market, so, and he trades with a huge risk. So guys, if you want to earn money, you have to understand what is your key points, like what is your benefit. One moment. Because if you have no advantage on the market, you will lose money. To have advantage, you can have like few options. You can trade with a low risk. You can have high profit loss risk ratio. So if you have, for example, profit $3 per every dollar loss, you have advantage on the market. And the more advantages you have, the more possibility that you will earn money on the market. And in such case, this trader trades with a huge risk without I don't know which let's see, let's take this situation. It happens today. For example, if you trade so let's say that we have some price corridor in here, and if you want to buy from which level he bought, 33.90, it happened today. If you are buying from this point, your your profit target can be like 33.98, but your risk is quite the same, so you have no advantage in this trade. To have advantage in trading, you have to trade with the risk that is minimum 3 times less than your profit target. Only with such trades you really can earn money. So I can say that if you trade like this, you will never earn money on a distance. Maybe you can win one tournament, catch a nice trade, but it will be not consciously done. So I think if you want to make money consistently, you have to learn trading, and you have to learn how market works. Because trading is not a one-day deal and one-day win. You have to win money consequently, like every day, from day to day. For example, in my statistic, I know that I won about 80% of days, 90% of days I trade, and this is my advantage. I know that my profit target is always 3 times higher, minimum 3 times higher than my loss. So that is my second advantage. And the more advantages you have, more money you can earn. It's very easy. It's very simple. And let's take one more trader that also still in play, that did not lose his money. Okay, this trader made only 2 trades. He did one. He's trading FGBL. Okay, he has loss, but this, I like this. No. Oh wait, it was short trade. I thought it's long trade. Ah yes, it was long trade. So actually this is really nice trade, but you can't trade with such small risk here, because you should place your stop loss behind at least this point, 174.15. At least your stop loss should be below this point. And this trade was really nice. I like this trade because it has meaning. The trader has understanding what happening here, and he understand where his levels of support are. So let's check other trades made on S&P. No, you can't trade with just stop loss what you like. You have to trade with stop loss that will fit the current situation, you see, because otherwise even if you have nice idea, you understand what will happen next, you will lose money. And the point is, it's not enough just to open a trade. You have to understand where to place your stop loss. You can't trade without stop loss, but you can't trade with a short stop loss, or like here. If you understand that market will go further, just wait for nice opportunity to open trade. And if you're not sure that market will make a retracement you need, so just do not open a trade, because what's the reason to open a trade and then get a stop loss? Guys, I think for today is I don't see any questions today. I hope everyone will perform much better. If you have questions, you can send messages, my Skype or my email, and maybe next week, maybe at the end of this week, I can join this tournament again, and I can make some comments on your trades. So I hope I will be able to on Friday, and I can make some comments on trades from our top 5. If you have questions, do not hesitate to ask me. And I wish everyone luck in this tournament, and I wish a lot of patience, because trading is always about patience, how patient you are. See you guys, bye bye.